Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a crucial element of your YouTube presence, your channel cover. It is your digital storefront. It's the first impression that grabs viewers and entices them to subscribe. So how can we easily design our YouTube cover? There are two ways you can use to design your YouTube cover for your YouTube channel. First one is Photoshop, but this one is little bit tricky for newbies. So if you don't know how to use Photoshop, then we move on to the second one. That's why we use Canva for newbies. It is easier to design your YouTube cover without hassle. So let's start this video. I'm going to my browser and search Canva. You can see this website canva.com. From here you can easily search YouTube cover. YouTube cover size is 2560 1440 pixels. This is a maximum size of YouTube cover. So I'm going to search in here YouTube cover, or you can search YouTube banner from here. From here you can see many ready template. You can choose which one is related to your niche. So I'm going to customize this one. I'm just click on this one. And we need to click on customize this template. If you're happy with your text style, you can choose this one. Or you can also change font icon from here, or you can add more text style from here. You can see there are many text font. There are many font available in here. You can choose as your own. So I'm going to choose this one. So you can see our cover is ready. You can easily download this. You can also add icon from here. If you are happy with your YouTube cover, then we can download from here in the share icon. And now we're going to download and click on download from here. You can also change your format from PNG, JPG or PDF version. I'm going with this one, PNG, and click on download from here. My YouTube cover is ready. I'm going to open this one. So guys, you can see my YouTube cover. In this way you can easily build your YouTube cover, and later we are going to show you how you can use this cover in your YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.